We've also got a timesheet entry app. So again, a lot of organizations will need to track their time spent on projects and things like that. And with our app that we use internally, this is linked to Microsoft Planner as well. So all of our projects are planned out inside of Planner, and then we have a drop-down list in here, which allows us to select from that particular one. We can select the week from here, and we can add multiple rows in here and select the type of task that it relates to, as well as adding kind of time into here. All of that is then stored. It goes off for the line manager approval at the end of the week, and then that's then stored as an exportable report for the finance team. And then the final app is an inspection app. Now, this is just showing it in a way maybe that it was being used for inspecting a truck or a lorry, but it could be for any type of maintenance of equipment, factory kind of machinery or site inspections. But in this case, it's say looking at inspecting a lorry, and then we're looking at, for example, the brakes, and then we've got certain checks that we need to do and look at this particular lorry and say, yeah, okay, well, the service, the brakes is fine, but there's an issue with the parking brake, and then I can log a particular issue against that, and that would then go off into the background, maybe report that to the engineering team that they've raised a task and they need to check that particular lorry and prevent it from going back out onto the road. Everything I've shown you today are just some general ideas. Hopefully you've got some ideas about how Power Apps can be used. Really is limitless the amount of options you've got and the different type of applications you could create. Everything in Power Apps is kind of low code, which means that it's nice and simple to build. A lot of these applications with sort of traditional software development would have taken months, if not years to develop, whereas now these apps can be developed in days, if not weeks, to try and get that as efficient as possible.